May I request Sri Arjun Ram Meghwal ji, who's the Honorable Minister of State, Parliamentary Affairs and Heavy Industries, to share his few speech.
Srinivasan ji is looking very handsome today. What is the reason? What is the reason, sir?
You are there? You are there? It adds more energy.
You completed the 21st years, na? That is why.
21 years. We completed 21 years.
That is the
reason.
21 years. 21 years. We are
That is
entering
why.
22nd year.
That is why you are a
22nd
young.
year.
You are a young. You are a young. Thank you. Thank you, P. Srinivasan ji. I'm elated. Now a lecture listened and delivered by Dr. M. Veerappa Moily. Is a very scholar man and very good parliamentarian. Very good speaker also. We have seen him in the 16th Lok Sabha. He initiated the debate on the financial matters, especially on budget, finance bill, debate under Rule 193, and so on. So he is a good communicator also. So thank you, Dr. M. Veerappa Moily ji. You delivered a very good lecture today on video conferencing. Hansraj ji Ahir is my best friend. He also communicated the importance of the parliament in his way, and the presence of this particular VC or in the evening, Sri S.S. Ram Subbu and Dr. S.K. Karvendra. Both are the very good parliamentarian, and I congratulate both them that the best speeches of both the parliamentarians we are releasing through an e-book. And other dignitaries on the linking on the VC, Bhuvnesh Devda ji, T.N. Ashoka ji, Bharat Mata Mohan ji, S. Narendran ji, and all others. Friends, Priya is a good anchor also. He is handling the things in a nice way. Srinivasan ji, you have taken a very good subject, and you are releasing the e-book containing the select parliamentarian speeches. It's a good subject, and I am of the view that on 15th August 2022, I am repeating it, the 15th August 2022, the day when India will celebrate his 75th Independence Day. And Honorable Prime Minister told that functions and named that function Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav, the 75th Independence Day celebrations. On that particular day, if you can manage to release a very good speeches of the parliamentarian from first Lok Sabha to 17th Lok Sabha, and you can select 75 speeches of a 75 persons, it will be a very good gesture. And you have a capacity, Srinivasan ji, so you can do it. You have a very good team. You have a very good, you can say the scholar I think Rajaji must be there somewhere. Priya is there. Some Virendra is there.
Yes, sir, I am
Some-
here.
You are there. You are there. Very good. Very good. So some good persons are linked with you, please, Srinivasanji. So you can select 75 speeches of the 75 good parliamentarian since from the first Lok Sabha to 17th Lok Sabha. It will be a very good gesture. And you can select the subject also. You can select the best speech on 0 hour, best subject. If you don't say speech, then best subject of 0 hour. You can best reply of a question hour or a very good question which reflects in a positive sense of the society. You can select a best calling attention for this purpose, and you can select a half an hour discussion, or you can select a short duration discussion. You can select a motion of thanks, which is the best motion of thanks replied by the Prime Minister or by other ministers. You can select, or you can select a confidence motion or no confidence motion, or you can select a legislative business also. But speech must be the best. You can select the speech of Pandit Nehru, you can select the speech of Pranab Mukherjee, you can select the speech of Narendra Modi, you can select the speech of Arun Jaitley, you can select the speech of Manmohan Singh ji, you can select the speech of Sushma Swaraj. So it will be a very good gesture. I am suggesting you. I'm not instructing you. I am just suggesting you. If my suggestion okay, that you can accept it, and you can select 75 good speeches of Parliament, and you can release through a e-book or a book on the celebration day of 75th Independence Day, that is 15th August 2022. It is my suggestion, sir. And you can discuss in your team. You can discuss this thing on our team, because the importance of the speeches, it is not just a speech in the Lok Sabha. If you can select a social sector, so somebody is speaking on the cleaning sector of the society. Sweepers, somebody is listening on the advocate part of the society. Somebody is speaking on the financial sector of the society, economic reform. 91. Somebody is speaking must be on the legal part, constitutionality of a bill. So you can select so many speeches, and dimension maybe the so many. That is up to you. You can select you can constitute a small committee, but I think it is a good gesture, and your this Prime Point Foundation can easily do it. So I again congratulate Shri S.S. Subboramu ji, and he was my best friend in the Lok Sabha, in 15th Lok Sabha. He told that we were waiting for the importance 0 hour. I think Tambidurai will be the mostly on the chair on that day. Generally, you remember Rama Subbuji? So we generally request Tambidurai ji, please allow us.
रात में waiting.
रात में please allow us. We are sitting here, but you generally you raised a very good point, Rama Subbuji. Generally you raised a very good point. I congratulate SK Karvendra ji also. Your speech is selected. So thank you very much, Dr. M. Virupa Mohili ji, Hansraj Dahir ji, and P. Srinivasan ji, and all the good friend of the Prime Point Foundations. All the best. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. All the best.
Thank you so much, sir, for all our viewers who are watching this show. Please let me inform you that for the 20th year of Prime Point Foundation, Honorable Minister Arjun Ram Meghwal sir with us, and it has been such a gracious gesture of him to be available even on his given his busy schedule, working on his papers, but still he ensured he doesn't miss the 21st anniversary of Prime Point Foundation. That's a wonderful gesture, sir. Thank you so much for being so.
Priya, just a minute before you close it. Honorable Minister sir, it is really a wonderful suggestion. On the coming Independence Day, that is on 15th August 2021, we are going to release 8 such e-books of Mr. Anandra Vadisal, Anshara Ji Ahir, Mr. Arjun Ram Meghwal, Bhartragiri Madhav, Supriya Sule, Sriranga Appa Bharne, Mr. N.K. Premachandran, and some of the recommendations of Finance Committee headed by Dr. M. Veerappa Moily. All these 8 books, we are starting the work because now we have received an experience from these 2 e-books, and we will be releasing on 15th August 2021 that I will be speaking to you separately on that. So we may have to, your speeches are also going to be included. You have spoken 490 records are there on 15th Lok Sabha. That is one of the highest in the 15 Lok Sabhas. And I will discuss separately. Regarding the 75 for the next year, definitely your suggestion is taken care of. And if I remember correct, that Parliament site is having only from 12th Lok Sabha, if I remember correct. But for the previous Lok Sabha, you may have to help us as a Parliamentary Affairs Minister.
Sir, there are books are available in the Parliament. You can interest the works. Some good persons. There are books available in the Parliament from the 1952.
Okay, sir.
Yes.
That I will discuss it separately, personally with you, sir, how to extract. But when it is available on the net, it is easy for us to choose everything sitting at home at a comfortable posture. But anyway, I will take your guidance separately. That's a very good classic idea. Definitely, we can get the best of the speeches of the best leaders of the country. We can bring out on the 70th year of independence. Definitely, it can be done. It is being done. So you block the date. You block the date for releasing it also.
Okay, thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
Okay, Priya, proceed.
Srinivasan sir, we would want to hear your closing remarks, and then I can ask Mr. Natarajan for vote of thanks.
That is what I said. The closing remark is only this much, and really on 15th of August, we are going to have the 8 e-books. We are going to release it, and the names also I have read, and they are the outstanding parliamentarians, the 8 parliamentarians, and this is what this 2 is only a trailer for us. Next is 8, and September, October, another 10 or 15 e-books will be released for all Sansad Ratna awardees. We are going to release it. And as our Honorable Minister suggested, we will also have it for the 75 top performing top parliamentarians, the nationwide, even Pilu Modi, Masani, we can bring all the people what they spoke. Kripalni, so many people are there. The younger generation.
Madhuli mein Ram Manohar Lohia, Atal Bihari Vajpayee, you can take so many things. So many things are there.
Even Advani, Vajpayee, and even Indira Gandhi, Jawahar Pandit Ji, Lal Bahadur Shastri, Gulzar Nanda, so many great parliamentarians. Our younger generation should know how they were all speaking. Definitely, sir, we seek your guidance, we seek your help. Because you are in the parliamentary, you are a Minister for Parliamentary Affairs, you can help us to bring out that. Definitely, we will do that, sir. We will jointly do that, sir. Thank you very much, sir. And now over to Priya.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much. So it has been a wonderful evening with so many ideas and much of discussion and so much of creativity. Thank you so much, everybody. So may I request Mr. Natarajan, who is the trustee of Prime Point Foundation, to deliver the vote of thanks.
Thank you. Good evening, all. It's a great pleasure and privilege for me to deliver the vote of thanks on this special occasion. On behalf of Prime Point Foundation, I would like to thank Shri Arjun Ram Meghwalji, Union Minister of Trade, Ministry of Parliamentary Affairs, and Minister of Heavy Industries. Thanks a lot for your valuable time today, sir, and a wonderful suggestion. And I'll also like to thank Dr. M. Veerappa Moily, former Chief Minister of Karnataka and former Union Cabinet Minister, Government of India. Sir, it was a great speech. Thanks a lot for your valuable time and spending your time with us, sir. Thanks to Sri Hansraj Ahir, former MOS Home Affairs, Government of India. Thanks a lot for your valuable time once again, sir. And special thanks to Sri S.S. Ramasubbu, former MP of Member of Parliament, 15th Lok Sabha, and Dr. S.K. Karvendanji, former Member of Parliament, 14th Lok Sabha. It's a great privilege for youngsters like us to see the e-book, sir. And special thanks to Sri S. Narendra, Trustee, Prime Point Foundation, and the former Information Advisor to Prime Minister of India. I would also like to thank our wonderful members and mentors of Sansad Ratna and NGPL family. Our special thanks to technology team, Sri Sridhar Raj and Sri Srinivas Prabhu. You guys have been the backbone for making the technology work. Thank you. And sincere thanks to all the members of media and participants who spared their valuable time and bless us today. With all your blessings, we will move forward. Our sincere thanks to all our wonderful well-wishers and friends who have been there with us all along this journey. And on this special occasion, we also take the opportunity to take blessings of our great guru, Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, who has been a great inspiration and mentor for us all and who brought us all together. Thank you all once again. Jai Hind. Thank you, madam.
Thank you.
Before we close, let me introduce who are all the technical people there. Srinivasa Gopal and Sridhar, can you just open your mic and say hello? Then only you will come on the screen. Srinivasa Gopal. Come on the screen.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much.
Both, where is Srinivas Gopal?
Yeah, here, sir. Here, I'm here.
Srinivas Gopal, both were behind this technology and really appreciate. Over to Priya.
So over and above, I think we should thank Prime Point Srinivasan sir, who has had the zeal and the strength to run this entire, what do you say, this whale of organization for 21 years. Sir. It is surely not a small thing. And as youngsters, on behalf of the entire young team and as the Trustee Secretary of Prime Point Foundation, we would try our level best to keep your good work going, sir, and we will ensure that your norms, your ethics, and your principles are kept intact. Thank you so much for giving us this opportunity, sir, and thank you so much, Honorable Minister. Thank you so much, Veerappa Moily, sir. Thank you so much, Hansraj Ahir, sir. Thank you so much, Karvendan, sir. Thank you so much, Ramasubbu, sir, and thank you so much all other participants who have taken your time on your busy schedule to be with us to celebrate the 21st grand finale year of Prime Point Foundation. Thank you so much. Thanks.
Jai Hind.
Jai Hind.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, Mr. Srinivasan, sir. Thank you.
Thank you, Jai Hind.
Meghwalji, thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Srinivasan, sir. Priya ji.
Thank you. Thanks for
Thank you, sir.
Annamalai has joined here, sir. Karvendan, sir. Mr. Annamalai.
No idea, sir, but I have to thank Annamalai and CT Ravi for getting forward.
Mr. Annamalai, by chance, he is here. Can I?
No, sir, he hasn't come.
No, sir.
Okay.
Thank you.
Sir,
Thank you.
sir, Dr. Moily, sir.
Namaskaram.
Minister, sir.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you, Srinivasan.
Hansraj ji,
Vande
thank
Mataram,
you.
sir.
So much for coming.
Vande Mataram.
Vande Mataram.
Bhuvnesh, Vande Mataram.
Vande Mataram, sir. Vande
Vande
Mataram, sir.
Mataram.
Vande Mataram.
So now that officially books are